2016 Subaru Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, all-wheel drive, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, premium sound system, climate control, rear defrost. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.